Hello from Detroit. I'm back at Larry today because it's window day. I'm so happy this house came with these plexi windows. As I've mentioned, I bought this house through an auction at the Detroit Land Bank Association. I'll link to the website. Properties come in a vast scale of condition. Larry had a couple leaks due to the tree on the roof, but overall was in great condition, especially with all the windows sealed. But today's the day to really start and close it all up. I use a company called First Choice Windows, start to finish. Jennifer and her team do a great job at a good price. 38 windows is a major expense and consideration, especially when buying these old homes. And windows and install alone came in around $18,000. But windows really do change the look of the house, and sealing in the home so I can really get to work. One more step to getting Larry warm and dry. Now we just need some doors. As always, follow my journey as a Canadian in Detroit.